Get comfortable, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's take a couple of more deep breaths. In and out. When I say to you the word relax, you will instantly feel more and more relaxed. Relax. Relax. Now you should feel much more relaxed, and with every deep breath that you are taking and every sound that you hear, you feel more at peace. You feel more tranquility inside. It gets easier for you to focus on what I'm saying and visualize what you want. Now I want you to think about your life. Your life has many ups and downs, and it's nice to reflect on all lessons that you've had. Now let's think about some positive moments of your life. Perhaps it brings memories of some celebration, gathering with friends and family for some event, or traveling somewhere nice. When we have nice things in life, it's easy to be positive about all aspects of your life. Your life can be more enjoyable, where you can attract all the things that you really, really desire. Let's imagine what it would be like to have the thing that you desire the most. Perhaps it's a new direction in life, new kind of work, more money in your life. What it would be like to have more money. Perhaps you can buy new things like new house, make more travels to the destinations that you've never been before. Imagine what it would feel like to be truly free, to do what you want to do. The law of attraction always works for us. That's why it's called the law. It works for you too, especially when you feel positive and grateful. I want you to think about the things that you're grateful for. What is it that you've already achieved and you already have? I want you to feel truly grateful for the things and people that you have in your life. The people that support you no matter what. The things that make your life easier. Whether it is a car that takes you to places, the house that provides safety and comfort, the work that provides you with financial stability. All these things can grow and multiply even more when you focus on being grateful for what you already have. Have full appreciation and excitement for more things to come into your life. Life can be very easy. It's all about how we view things, people, and situations. Repeat after me in your mind. I am grateful for things and people I have in my life. I am looking forward to more exciting opportunities and experiences. Thank you, universe, for looking after me and for making my life truly enjoyable. Your mind sees no difference in things that you imagine and the things that you are looking at. When you imagine that abundant life that you desire to have, the exciting opportunities for work that you truly enjoy, the travel that gives you unforgettable memories, the relationships that are truly fulfilling, supporting, loving. This is when you say, yes, please, I would like to have more. Now once again, repeat after me. Thank you, universe. I am grateful. I am blessed. My life is getting better and better. Everything I wish for is manifesting right now. I can feel it. I can sense it. In the next few days, you will notice that things have started happening in your life. Some positive things, some unexpected gifts, and supportive people will show up in your life. The doors will start opening up. Feel how grateful you are for all those manifestations now. It is truly amazing knowing that you've always been looked after and that you truly deserve all these manifestations. Now it will be easier for you to feel positive, happy and grateful because you know that anything is possible and what you wish can come true whenever you imagine having it. Now let's slowly come back to the present moment. Start moving your fingers, your toes. Slowly stretch. Take a deep breath and smile. Now you can open your eyes and have an enjoyable day.